Bienvenue au Marais. Today we are in the Marais neighborhood of Paris, one of my favorite neighborhoods, and we are going to tour a gorgeous apartment. I am Kat Berry with the Modern Living team at Compass. I'm an international realtor based in Chicago and Paris, and I'm so excited to give you a tour of a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully renovated apartment. Let's go. Welcome to 78 Rue Vieille du Temple. This is a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in the heart of Le Marais, the 3e arrondissement de Paris. This is very, very central Paris, almost as central as you can possibly get. This street is fabulous. We're facing the Musée des Archives, which is the National Archives of France, and you have western exposure, so you have light in here all day long, and you also have eastern exposure in the kitchen, so you have gorgeous morning light. The owners and architect that renovated this apartment did such a great job of putting in modern features with original character and keeping the original vibe of the apartment. For example, the parquet, the hardwood floors, are a nice wide plank that would have been common during this time of construction, and also the pierre de Bourgogne tile that you see in the entry and kitchen, which is a very specific kind of tile from the Bourgogne region of France. It's in the coupe-bouchon style, which is a very traditional style from this era of French construction. We're on the first floor, but there's also an elevator, so you can, bring up packages, suitcases, things like that very easily. And the apartment is about 93 square meters, which is around 1,000 square feet. It was originally a 3-bedroom apartment, so they took out some walls to make this gorgeous salon. You have beautiful built-in bookshelves. And one of the things I love the most about this apartment are the exposed old beams in the ceiling. It's a very Parisian thing in this neighborhood to have these exposed beams and also the exposed stone walls, and when I'm showing my Chicago apartments, I love exposed brick, and here in Paris, it's very charming to have the exposed stone walls. This apartment also has a gorgeous kitchen, a very large cuisine with a lot of cabinet space and storage, and it's completely modern, which is also pretty rare. Another thing I want to mention about this apartment is the suite parentale, the primary suite, has an ensuite bathroom and air conditioning. So that's pretty rare here in Paris to have an ensuite and to have air conditioning as well. You have so many gorgeous features in this apartment, including a formal dining room. So there are many rooms in this unit, and there's even a guest room with a Murphy bed and its own shower. The toilet is separate, which is very common in Parisian apartments to have a WC, a water closet or a toilet, separate from your shower space. The quarterly copropriété assessments are about 870 euro, and the taxes are about 1,750 euro per year. So again, the taxes and the co-property fees in Paris, in France, are much less than we're used to in the United States. Thank you so much for coming along to tour this apartment. If you have any further questions, please reach out to myself or Paris Property Group. And don't forget to like, follow, and comment below. À bientôt!